Friends, good morning. I am Kirti. Now we are going to discuss about metallurgy. So friends, you know about metals and non-metals. There are many metallic and non-metallic substances are we found in our surrounding. For example, copper wire, metal rod, plastic chair, stone, rubber, paper, dumbbells, magnets, machines, etc. Now we take short review of some properties of metals and non-metals. So let's start. The first point is physical properties of metals. First property is metals are solid. Solid means substance which have specific shape and structure. For this property, exceptions are mercury and gallium because they are in a liquid state at room temperature. What is meant by room temperature? Room temperature means normal degree temperature. Second property is metals have luster property. Do you know luster? Luster means shining. Metals have shining. Third property is metals are ductile and malleable. So what is meant by ductile? Ductile means it can be stretched and form wire. And malleable means it can be converted into plain sheet by hammering. Metals are good conductor of electricity and heat. Good conductor of electricity means it can be easily pass electric supply as well as heat from them. Metals has high melting point and boiling point. So what is meant by melting point? Melting point means temperature at which solid substance get converted into liquid form. And boiling point means the temperature at which liquid substance get converted into gaseous form. For example, tungsten. Tungsten have high melting point and boiling point. It can be used in a bulb. Metals are sonorous. Sonorous means it can be produce ringing sound. Second point is physical properties of non-metals. First property, non-metals are solid as well as in a gaseous state. Non-metals do not have luster properties. Non-metals are soft. Non-metals have low melting and boiling point. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity and heat because it cannot be passed electric supply or heat from them. Non-metals do not have sonority because they are soft. Now see chemical properties of metals. The first chemical property is metals are electropositive. For example, sodium atom. The atomic number of sodium atom is 11 and it shows electronic configuration 281. Valency of sodium is 1 as it has 1 electron in its valence shell. On loss of valence electron from M shell, the penultimate shell L of sodium atom become outermost shell. It has 8 electron in it. Effectively, sodium attain an electron octet state. However, electron number becomes 10. Hence, the positive charge plus 11 on the sodium nucleus is imbalanced and Na plus cation carrying net positive charge plus 1 is formed. Sodium have 1 extra electron, hence it has plus 1 charge on its head. Next point is reactions of metals. First reaction with oxygen. When metals are react with oxygen and form metals oxides. For example, when two molecules of magnesium is react with oxygen molecule, then form two molecules of magnesium oxide. Second reaction of metal with water. When metals are react with water, form metal hydroxide and liberates hydrogen gas. For example, when 2 molecules of sodium is react with 2 molecules of water gives rise to 1 molecule of sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated and heat is produced. Second reaction of metal with dilute acid. When sample of aluminium, zinc, iron are treated with dilute sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid, sulfate or chloride salts of metal are formed. Hydrogen gas is also liberated. Reactivity of metal can be indicated by sequence. Magnesium is highly reactive than aluminium. Aluminium is highly reactive than zinc and zinc is highly reactive than iron. For example, when magnesium is react with 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. When 2 molecules of aluminium is react with 6 molecules of hydrochloric acid gives 2 molecules of aluminium chloride and 3 molecules of hydrogen gas is liberated. When iron is react with 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid gives ferric chloride and hydrogen gas is liberated. When zinc is react with hydrochloric acid and gives zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is also liberated. Next reaction of metal with nitric acid. Metals react with nitric acid and form nitrous salts. For example, 3 molecules of copper is react with 8 molecules of nitric acid which is diluted and form copper nitrate plus nitrogen dioxide and 4 molecule of water. So student, thanks for the watching video and like, share and subscribe.